We have a simple problem here which states that the binary subtraction of 1010 from 1000 using 1's complement method is dash. The options are A 1101, B 0010, C 0011 and D 1010. So for binary subtraction, we shall follow the following steps, which is first we have to take 1's complement of the larger number. Then we shall add the smaller number. We shall ignore the carry and then we shall take 1's complement of the result to get the true result in its opposite sign. The sign reverses. So first we shall take the 1's complement of the larger number. The larger number here is 1010. So the 1's complement is 0101. Then we take the smaller number 1000 and add it. So after addition we get 1 in the first place, then 0, then another 1, then we get another 1. So answer is 1101 for this addition. Now we shall take this 1's complement of this result. So which is 0010. And this is in the opposite sign is the correct answer to the entire problem. And the correct answer to the question is option B.